Hello everyone, and welcome back to the fascinating world of Chrome Music Lab. Today we're going to explore oscillators, the fundamental building blocks of all digital sounds. Let's open our browser and head straight to Chrome Music Lab. On the experiments page, we'll scroll down a bit to find our topic for today: the Oscillators tool, and click on it. This cute green square character we see actually represents a square wave oscillator. By moving the mouse up and down, we change the frequency of the sound, which is its pitch, how high or low it is. The frequency value, in Hertz, is updated in real time in the code below. Let's switch to different waveforms by clicking the arrow on the right. This yellow character is the sawtooth wave. It sounds brighter and a bit harsher, doesn't it? When we click the question mark, it gives us the basic info. An oscillator makes sound by vibrating at a steady rate, known as its frequency. Clicking left again takes us back to the square wave. And one more click to the left brings us to the triangle wave. This sound has a softer and rounder tone compared to the square and sawtooth waves. It's reminiscent of classic video game sounds. Finally, by clicking left one more time, we get to the sine wave. This is the most fundamental and purest sound wave. It has a smooth and soft sound with no extra overtones. It often reminds us of instruments like a flute. Now let's go back to the square wave. Let's switch over to the sawtooth wave again. Can you hear the difference in timbre between the different waveforms? They are all playing the same note, but their characters are completely different. Now for the triangle wave. And back to the sine wave. This simple experiment demonstrates the very basics of sound synthesis. Different wave shapes are the color palette of music and sound design. Square, sawtooth, triangle, and sine. Each one creates a different feeling and texture. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.